Hi, my name is Erin Tung and I'm a nurse practitioner here at the Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness. And today I wanted to talk about the micronutrient test. What is it and why would you want it? Well, a lot of times when we're trying to optimize hormones, we keep changing hormones, we keep changing supplements, but a lot of times we just don't hit it on the mark. Then we recommend to patients, maybe you might want to consider a micronutrient test. We do, and these micronutrient tests are spectacular because they're going to reveal to us what nutrients you might be deficient in and what things might be underlying that could be blocking the hormone optimization. So once we figure out what that is, and then we supplement you with those nutrients that we had no idea you were deficient in, boom, hormones are optimized and you feel spectacular. So if you have any questions about how to get a micronutrient test, give us a call, come back in. Next time you see us, feel free to ask, and then we can get you started. Have a great day.